Welcome and Jai Hind बच्चों. In today's class we are going to solve the questions based on debentures issued at discount. In the last class we had discussed the entries of debentures issued at discount. In today's class we will solve some questions based on debentures issued at discount, and at the same time we will discuss how the treatment will be there when debentures issued at premium. Okay, so without any delay, let's see the question in short. So question is that one company is there, XYZ Limited, and XYZ Limited issued 11% debenture. Bacha, 11% debenture. So this 11% indicate the rate of interest which will be payable on debenture. 11% debenture 5,000 at the rate of 100 each at a discount of 10%. So XYZ Limited issued 11% debentures. Number of debentures is 5,000 at 100 rupees each at a discount of 10%. Payable as follow. So bacha, 50 rupees on application and 40 rupees on allotment. So bacha, as you can see in this question that 100 rupees is the value of debentures, and when we deduct 10%, then it will be how much bacha? 10 rupees. So 100 rupees is the debenture par value minus 10 rupees, so it will be at 90. And when we add this 50 plus 40, 90. It means the 10 rupees is adjusted in allotment. So I told you yesterday only कि when premium is there, so for finding out the main value we deduct the amount. But when it is discount, so for finding out the main value, we have to add the value of discount, bacha. We have to add the value of discount. Similarly, in the allotment, discount is already deducted. How we can say? Because in the question, discount of 10% is there, but where the discount will be applicable, it is not present. So in the absence of the information that where the premium will be applicable, where the discount will be applicable, always assume that it will be on allotment. So after deducting the 10 rupees of discount, the allotment is showing 40 rupees. So what is the main value of allotment? 40 plus 10 is equal to 50 rupees is the main value. Always remember. Now it is said that all debenture holder paid the amount. So bacha, first call we have to pass for application. It will be bank account debit to percentage debenture, bacha. So 11% debenture application account. Bank account debit to 11% debenture application account. What is the number of debenture? 5,000. And bacha, what is the application value? It is 50. So 5 5 jar 25. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 2,50,000. Getting my point? This is the first entry of bank account debit to 11% debenture application. Now the second one is that we have to close this 11% debenture application and transfer the money to debenture. So for closing, as we know that we have to pass the opposite entry, bacha. So it will be 11% debenture application account debit to 11% debenture account, 2,50,000 and 2,50,000. But always remember there is a similarity between debenture and share. All treatments are same. Only at the place of share application you have to write down the debenture application. So at the place, like in the share we are writing down share application, so at the place of share application you have to write down the debenture application. And always remember, whenever we are using the word debenture, the percentage should be mentioned with the word debenture. And like in the share we are writing down share capital, so at the place of share capital it will be percentage debenture. So this is the first entry for the debenture application. So now we pass the allotment entry. The allotment is 40 rupees, but 10 rupees is the discount. So first we pass the allotment entry, 11% debenture allotment account debit. What is the number of debentures, bacha? 5,000. And we demanded how much money on allotment? 40 rupees. Dekho, total allotment money is 50 rupees, but we demanded how much? Only 40. So 5,000 into 40 will be the debenture allotment, and it will be how much, bacha? 5 4 ja 20. 1 2 3. Bacha, discount is there. Discount is always treated as a loss for the business, so we will write down here discount on debenture account debit. So but at the 5,000 shares we have a discount of 10 rupees, so 5,000 to 10 is equal to 50,000. And to 11% debenture account, as we know that in the debenture always we transfer the main value. So 5,000 into main value is how much, bacha? 50. How main value? 40 rupees we demanded, which include 10 rupees. So main value was, before discount it was 50 rupees. So 5,000 into 50 is equal to 2,50,000. Now bacha, one more thing is there, you just see. Now we received the amount of allotment. So bacha, full amount is received, so we demanded how much? 2 lakh rupees, and this 2 lakh rupees is received. So we will pass the entry bank account debit to 11% debenture allotment account, 2 lakh rupees, and bacha 2 lakh rupees. This is the things what we have to pass when the entries are issued at discount. So I just repeat all the entries, please see very carefully. 5,000 is the number of debenture, 50 rupees we demanded on application, so it will be bank account debit, 5,000 to 50, 2,50,000. To 11%, always remember, in the front of debentures you have to write down the percentage, interest percentage. To 11% debenture application account, it will be 2,50,000. Now 11% debenture application will be closed and transferred to debenture account. So 11% debenture application account debit 2,50,000 to 11% debenture 2,50,000. Now when we pass the entry for allotment, always remember that on allotment 10 rupees discount is there. So first we will pass the entry 11% debenture allotment account debit 5,000, and how much we demanded on allotment? 40 rupees. So 5,000 to 40 is equal to 2 lakh. Main amount was 50, but 10 rupees discount deducted. That discount is a loss for us. So 5,000 into 10 rupees discount on debenture account debit 50,000. And bacha 5,000 to main amount 50, so 5,000 to 50 is equal to 2,50,000 to 11% debenture account 2,50,000. The total money we receive, that's why it will be bank account debit 2 lakh to 11% debenture account 2 lakh rupees is there. Okay. So next topic what we will discuss that debenture issued at premium. So debenture issued at premium. अब देखो premium mean what? Like suppose debenture face value is 10 rupees. अब now this debentures issued at 12 rupees. These debentures are issued at 12 rupees. Face value of debenture is how much बच्चा? 10. Issued value is 12 rupees. So 2 rupees extra more than face value. This 2 rupees is only considered as a premium. So what is premium? When the issued value is more than face value, so how much extra that will be considered as a premium. Okay. So the same, suppose just taking one question and how the entry will be there. Always remember that premium entry is passed with the due entry. And if no information is there that where the premium will be, so always remember that the premium will be applicable on allotment only. Okay, so just see this particular question, and after that we will discuss the entry of premium only. So XYZ Limited is a company issued, just taking a very normal question, 1000 debenture. 1000 debenture कौन से भाई? 10% debenture of 10 each issued as 4 rupees on application, 6 rupees on allotment, and 2 rupees on first and final call. All money received. Apacha, as you can see in this question, that when we add the application, allotment and first call amount, the total is coming 12 rupees. 6 4 plus 10 plus 2, 12 rupees. And what is the value of debenture? 10. So face value of debenture was 10%, but the issued value is 12 rupees. And when it is more than, we can say 2 rupees is the premium. But as you can see that 2 rupees is the premium, and premium is not mentioned. That premium will be applicable on application, premium will be applicable on allotment, premium will be applicable on first and final call. So in the absence of the information, always remember that premium will be applicable on allotment. So that 6 rupees allotment include 2 rupees premium also. So very simple. If 6 rupees is the total amount what the company called up, in that 6 rupees, if 2 rupees is the premium one, so what is the main amount of allotment? So main amount of allotment is 4 rupees. Main amount of allotment is bacha 4 rupees. So now we proceed for the entry. The first entry is bank account debit. 2. अब बच्चा देखो 10% debenture is there. So we have to write down 10% debenture application account. Bachcha, number of debentures are 1000 and the application amount is how much bachcha? 4. So it will be 4000 rupees and 4000 rupees. And after that the whole 4000 rupees, 4000, and after that we close the debenture application and transfer to debenture account. So for closing, you are knowing, just pass the opposite entry. So 10% debenture application account debit 4000, and it will be transferred to 10% debenture account. Okay, bacha, 4000 rupees. So bank account debit to 10% debenture application account, 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debenture account. 4000, 4000, 4000 and 4000 rupees. Now bacha, we pass the entry of allotment. So as you can see, for the entry of allotment, premium is also there. So always remember this thing, the premium will be passed with the due entry. In application, first we pass the receipt entry, but after the application, other than application, always we have to pass first due entry. So due entry will be 10% debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture account. Bacha, how many number of shares? 1000 into 6 rupees of allotment. So 1000 to 6 is equal to 6000. And always we remember that in debentures, main amount, allotment main amount, we transfer the main amount. Main amount means other than premium. So bacha, in 10% debenture, we transfer the 1000 into 4 rupees. Therefore, 6 rupees is the allotment, in that 2 rupees premium is included. So what is the main amount of allotment? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 rupees. So 1000 to 4 is equal to 4000 rupees. 2. Apacha, security premium. Security premium is a type of profit. Okay. If you go for the traditional rule, so it is a type of personal account, because security premium represent the representative personal account. So here the shareholders are giving the premium to you. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So to security premium reserve, how much bacha? At 1000 you are giving 2 rupees per share as a premium. So 1000 to 2 is equal to 2000 rupees. And this will be done. Again I am repeating the entry. Please see. Total amount on allotment, what we called up, is 6 rupees. So 10% debenture allotment account debit, 1000 into 6 is equal to 6000. After that bacha, in debentures always we transfer the main amount. So main amount is 4. 6 minus 2 rupees premium, the amount will coming 4 rupees. So 1000 into 4 is equal to 4000 rupees. And the rest 2 rupees will be the security premium. How we come to know? Very simple. If issued value is more than face value and it is not mentioned that where the premium will be applicable, so always the premium will be applicable on allotment. So it will be 6 minus 4, premium amount is how much bacha? 2 rupees. So on 1000 share, 2 rupees premium, so 1000 into 2 is equal to 2 security premium reserve, 2000 rupees. Now all the money received, so total we demanded on allotment 6 rupees and that is received. So we will write down bank account debit to debenture, bank account debit to percentage 10% debenture allotment account. How much bacha? 6000 rupees and 6000 rupees. Now we will pass the entry for the last call, first and final call, and here we will go. The third one is 10% debenture first and final call account debit. What is the number of debentures? 1000. And on the first and final call, what amount we demanded? So we called up how much bacha? We called up 2 rupees. So 1000 into 2. 1000 into 2 is equal to bacha 2000. 2. 10% debenture account, which is again 2000. Up now the money of first and final call also received. So simple, bank account debit to 10% debenture first and final call account 3000 and 2000. Okay, so bacha, just see the premium entry. So total amount will be on allotment, main amount in the percentage debenture, and whatever the premium amount will be there, that will be at security premium reserve. So we had covered the debentures issued at par, debentures issued at discount, and debentures issued at premium. In the next class, we will discuss how the calls in arrears are taking place in the debentures. Redemption of debentures will be not completed, will not come in your syllabus in this year. And the last information which I want to share with you, that in offline classes, it means in your school, we are going to discuss the practicals of accountancy for the board examination. So please be present from tomorrow onwards in the school. Till then, take care. Thank you.